We're making key lime pie,
Okay.
okay? It's a really nice pie, very light and delicious. Should I tell you what's in it?
Please
yeah?
do.
Okay. You start off with some sweetened condensed milk, some lovely limes. We're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice in because we can't actually get key limes in this country, okay? Key limes actually come from the Florida Keys, all right? And we're gonna put some eggs in it, but my key lime pie, when I make it, I always use a ginger biscuit crust because I think the ginger combined with the lemons goes real nice, all right? Shall we start?
Let's do it, yeah.
Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is gonna take some ginger biscuits and we're gonna break them up. You can help me with this, yeah? Can I give you?
Please
You're
do.
right there.
Yeah.
Take a handful, and if we both just kind of break them
I like
loosely.
the very patronising nature that
What's
people
that?
have because I'm hobbling around.
Oh,
All right,
no.
dear. Okay. So we're making.
I see how you broke those up.
Yeah. Oh, you want to break them? Oh, sorry. not really listening. There we go.
There we go.
So it's a key lime pie.
Yeah.
Traditionally, would you always have a biscuit base with them?
Traditionally, yes.
Yeah.
There would be some form of a biscuit base. In America, it'd be more like a graham cracker.
Yeah.
All right, so we're just gonna whisk that up. And to
My
that...
big lumps of biscuit really helped there, didn't they?
No. Yeah, they sure did. And then we're gonna, directly to that, we're gonna pour some melted butter in. And then we're going to turn it on and whisk it again. Okay, and that works really well. I find if I've got kids at home, I don't use this, I use the kids. Give it to the kids and let them just bash them up.
I find when I'm really frustrated, I put them into a plastic bag and just butt the counter.
Okay, so we're gonna take this, literally, and it just goes straight into, get that out of the way, and then you're just going to pat it down. It goes really easy.
We've got, we
right.
quite often do a key lime pie, a key lime cheesecake on the restaurant menus, and it's
Uh-huh.
always really popular because I think people are always surprised at how delicate the flavour is.
It is
Because you always imagine, you know,
delicious.
that like limes, lemons, you're always going to have that big, strong flavour, yet it has a sort of delicate quality to it, which the condensed milk helps.
Yep, so next we're gonna take our condensed milk, put it straight into the bowl. Could you crack those 2 eggs into that little bowl that I've got?
With the lime zest?
Yeah, I've got some little bit of lime zest that I was doing at the top of the show. So,
Were you now?
oh yeah, I'm
And what
always
would you like me to do?
working.
Would you like me to beat that together?
Yeah, you can do that just a little bit, but it's gonna go straight in.
Into there?
And straight in, yep. Go on, add it right on in. Then I'm gonna give that a little mix. And to that, we're going to now add our lime juice, okay? So ordinary limes, but I put 1 lemon in, and that kind of takes it to a key lime.
Okay,
really.
so if there were key limes, you wouldn't use the lemon?
No,
Right.
I wouldn't. And literally, we're just gonna fold that in. And when you add the lime juice directly to the condensed milk, it kind of cooks it. You'll
Yeah.
see, it's already going nice and thick. Okay, so, and we're gonna just take that. It's as easy
It's
as
easy,
this.
isn't it?
It's so easy. It is so easy. I don't even like to tell people how easy it is. I like to pretend it took me all day.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it is one of those good dishes.
It is, it is. And then straight onto the top, a little bit of zest. Now, once you get to this stage, it needs to go into the oven because it does have the raw egg in it. 10 minutes.
Right.
That's it. Do not overcook it. All right? So 10 minutes.
Because I always think
into
that's the
the
thing with it,
oven.
because I must admit, I'm slightly cautious. I always feel like I want to have it a little bit more.
Yeah, I know. But then you know what happens? It
starts to split, doesn't it?
starts
Almost
to split.
curdles.
It curdles at the sides. And it makes it heavier.
And 10 minutes at what? 180, 200?
About 180.
Yeah.
About 180. So let's pretend that we are in Magic Land.
I am there,
And-
always, in my own little head. I'm
We're
there.
And this is what it comes out like. And you can see 10 minutes. Beautiful. It's set. So we're going to cut a piece and we're going to serve this with some nice whipped cream.
Just
okay?
serve it, I'm starving.
So let's cut it across.
See, this is, I was...
Would you like a little bit?
I like a big bit, yeah.
There we go.
You want 1 piece too? 1 piece is cool. That
One
looks
piece is
beautiful.
Okay. And let's put a nice dollop of cream on the side.
Proper dollop, isn't it?
Yeah.
And where's that lime I had? Just a little piece. It looks quite nice there.
That.
And let's just zest a little bit of that over your cream. And there we go.
Tell me what you've made.
Key lime pie.
Loving it.